Are you tired of guessing what buttons do in Pipedrive because it's in the wrong language? Change it in 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click, from your profile picture to the language dropdown, so you can switch instantly. So let's start with Pipedrive open on your screen. This is one of those settings that's surprisingly easy to miss, but once you know where it lives, you'll never have to struggle with an unfamiliar interface again. Look at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. It might be your photo or just a little silhouette icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, you want to select Personal Preferences. That's where all the good stuff lives for customizing your experience. Now, once the Preferences window opens, you'll see a few tabs across the top. Make sure the Account tab is selected. It's usually the default, so you're probably already there, but it's worth double-checking before you look for the language setting. Scroll down just a little bit, and you'll find the Language field. This is what we're here for. Click on the Language drop-down menu. This will open up the full list of languages that Pipedrive supports. Take your time browsing through them. There are quite a few options here. You can scroll through the list to see everything that's available. And here's the really nice part. Once you find your language, just click on it. That's it. Pipedrive will automatically apply the change. You might see the interface flicker or shift for just a second as it loads. This might take a moment to process, but it's almost always instant. If you get a prompt asking you to refresh the page, just follow that instruction and reload. But in my experience, that's pretty rare. Usually it just switches right over. Take a moment to look around and verify that everything has changed. Your menus, your buttons, your labels, they should all now be in the language you selected. For example, if you choose English US, you'll see deals and activities like you're used to. Or if you prefer English UK, you'll notice organization spelled with an S instead of a Z. There's also English Australia, if that's your flavor. But if you need something completely different, Pipedrive has you covered. You can switch to Deutsch for German or Français for French. Maybe you need Español de España, that's Spanish from Spain, or Español de America Latina for Latin American Spanish. There's Italiano for Italian, Netherlands for Dutch, and even Bahasa Indonesia. Your interface is now in your language. No more guessing. No more clicking the wrong button because you weren't sure what it said. You've taken control of your Pipedrive experience, and it only took about 30 seconds. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.